Okay, so we are finally doing another hair tutorial. I am doing something that I have not done before. We're sticking with the purple and pink. However, as you can probably see in the thumbnail, obviously I'm putting pink on my roots. I'm going to attempt to keep it very minimal, literally just the roots. You can see in my cotton candy hair tutorial where I did the blue and pink. That didn't work out, you know, but we're gonna try it again with different colors. And then I have a lavender color for the rest of the hair, so we'll see how that turns out. As always, for now, I am using Arctic Fox, Virgin Pink, and Girls Night. So because I want this color to be as dark as possible, I am not diluting it. This one will be diluted, which you will see in a second. Let's get to doing the mixes and go over all that good stuff. Alright, so the first thing that you need are bowls and brushes for each color that you are using. And it looks like Miss Kitty is joining us for this portion of the video. And you need gloves, but I only have one. I'm using Arctic Fox Colors Girls Night. Hello, Mama. That's her name. And Virgin Pink. Alright, you also need a white conditioner to dilute the colors as needed. I only use just a little bit. And then as far as mixing for the Virgin Pink, here we go. And I'm not diluting that at all, as you can see. For Girls Night, I did dilute it just a little bit. Now we are ready to go. Okay, now that we have our colors all mixed up, ready to go, I'm probably gonna have to do more along the process. We'll see how it goes. I already have my crappy t-shirt on. As you can see, this is my designated hair coloring shirt slash bleaching shirt. Used multiple times. So it's been a while, so I am very, very white blonde, like a very, very white blonde, so this should turn out very well. Now the thing is, I only have one glove, so we'll see how that works out. The good thing is Arctic Fox doesn't really stain your hands, so it's not necessary anyway, but I'm gonna use one just for the shit of it because I have it, and why not? So let's get into this video. Guys, I'm finally done. So here's what it looks like with the dye on it. I love it. So let's get the bag on my head. You would think that by now I've learned that I needed to purchase shower caps, but you know, it's just never a thought in my mind. So And at this point, it's kind of my, oh, well, that didn't work. It's kind of my signature now. Alrighty, you need to stay in there. Okay, this can tuck. Okay, gonna go like this. Oh yeah. Alrighty, I'm going to leave this on my head for as long as possible. It is pretty late right now, so I don't want to stay up all night, but I want to leave it in for at least 3 to 4 hours. I normally leave it in longer with this. I know the bottle says 45 minutes, but really it is a conditioning treatment for your hair. It is a conditioner-based hair dye, so it's like a hair treatment. It's wonderful for your hair. So and the longer you leave it in my theory, the longer the color lasts. So I'll leave this in for a few hours, rinse it out, and be back with the final result. All right, guys, this is the final result. I think it turned out exactly how I wanted it to. So as you can see, I have my unfortunate bangs that I'm just waiting to grow out. This is what we get. I normally keep them pinned back because I hate them and they look like crap. So this is what it looks like. Now I think this hairstyle, this color looks probably best with an updo. So let me do a little bit of updo so you can really see the pink in between, and I think that will really make it look a lot better. Be right back. And voila! I know I probably look like a weirdo to you, but this is the only way that I will wear my bangs, where they don't look that bad, but I think any kind of updo with this color is great because you can really see the pink and the purple. So, yeah, I like it, and any type of braid, anything will really look great with this color. So if you guys want to see any updo hair tutorials, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do those. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. Check out my hair playlist for lots more hair coloring tutorials and ideas for you guys to try out. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments below. I always answer them. And unless they somehow they go under my radar and I just don't see them. But I always get back to you. And yeah, so yeah, I guess I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.